Imagine a place where the sun kisses the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, where the whispering waves of the Atlantic Ocean play a symphony in perfect harmony with the rustling palm leaves. Welcome to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, a paradise nestled between the sparkling ocean and the enchanting salt marshes. Dawn breaks and a family eager to seize the day heads to the beach. The soft, warm sand squishes under their feet as they set up their spot. The children, their laughter echoing, run towards the water, the cool ocean waves lapping at their ankles. They build towering sandcastles, their imaginations running wild under the watchful eyes of their parents. As the day heats up, the family embarks on an adventure to Ripley's aquarium. They marvel at the vivid colors of the tropical fish, gasp at the sight of fearsome sharks, and giggle at the playful antics of the penguins. The aquarium is an underwater world, a treasure trove of marine life that leaves them in awe. Lunchtime calls for a feast at one of the local seafood restaurants. The family indulges in a spread of fresh, succulent shrimp, crab, and fish, their taste buds dancing with delight. The parents sip on sweet iced tea, a southern specialty, as they soak in the lively atmosphere. Post-lunch, the family decides to tee off at one of the many mini golf courses in Myrtle Beach. The competitive spirit is high and the air is filled with cheer. Each hole brings a new challenge, a new adventure, making for an afternoon full of fun and laughter. As the sun begins to set, painting the sky in hues of lavender and gold, the family heads to the Myrtle Beach boardwalk. The lively music, the scent of popcorn and cotton candy, the colorful, vibrant shops, all add to the magical ambiance. The children, their eyes wide with excitement, hop on the skywheel, their laughter echoing into the twilight as they soar high above the ocean. The night ends with a visit to Broadway at the beach. The family enjoys a delicious dinner followed by a walk around the lake, the twinkling lights reflecting in the calm water. They watch a spectacular fireworks show, the sky ablaze with color, the perfect end to a perfect day. The call of the ocean, the allure of adventure, the taste of Southern hospitality. Myrtle Beach offers it all. It's a paradise waiting to be discovered, a treasure chest full of memories waiting to be unlocked. And that's just a day in the life of a family vacationing in Myrtle Beach. There's so much more to explore, so many more memories to make. So pack your bags, grab your loved ones, and set off on an adventure of a lifetime. Before you go, remember to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe to the Globetrotter Vistas YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more adventures, more destinations, and more memories. Until next time, keep exploring.